Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Hyundai Kona floor mats. First, locate the two retention clips on the driver's side floor mat. These clips secure the mat to the floor. Next, rotate each clip a quarter turn, or 90 degrees, to unlock the mat from its posts. Once unlocked, gently pull the driver's mat upwards to completely detach it from the floor. This initial step is crucial for proper removal. Moving to the other mats, the front passenger side floor mat is generally not secured by retention clips. You can simply lift this mat directly from the floor. Similarly, the rear floor mats in your Hyundai Kona are also typically not held in place by any clips or fasteners. Just pick them up from the floorboard. This makes removing them a quick and easy process. Once all your floor mats are removed, it's a great time to clean them. Start by taking each mat outside and shaking out any loose dirt, crumbs, and debris. Then, use a vacuum cleaner to thoroughly remove any embedded dust and smaller particles. This preparation step ensures your mats are ready for a deeper clean using appropriate car interior cleaning products, making them look fresh again. When you are ready to reinstall your clean floor mats, start with the driver's side. Carefully align the holes on the mat with the two retention posts on the floor. Press down firmly on the mat to ensure it is fully seated onto these posts. Finally, rotate the retention clips a quarter turn, or 90 degrees, back to their original position to securely lock the mat in place. This prevents the mat from shifting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.